Look at this little kitty. Its love for its dad is simply beyond imagination. Time and again, it throws itself at its dad, passionately seeking close contact, completely disregarding the possibility of being rejected. That tiny body contains endless courage, and every approach is a charge of love. Even if accidentally knocked down, it still stubbornly launches another attack. Its love is so intense that it doesn't care even if it gets beaten, because in its heart, dad is the whole world. It interprets in its own way no matter what. I just want to be close. This is my way of expressing love. Such a kitty shows us the power of love. It teaches us to be brave and persistent in love.